Psychology in the news.
Let's take it out to our intrepid reporter, Sam Gosling. Sam, where are you today?
Hi, Paige. I'm actually in the library. I was trying to get some work done, but just, can't really, I'm not being very effective today.
Well, I have a really important question for you, which might hold the key to your attention difficulties, and that is, where's your phone?
It's right here in front of me on the table.
That's pretty common, probably.
Yeah, I guess it raises the question of whether even having a phone here could be a distraction, even if I'm not using it. The idea goes, right, is that our phones may take away some of our cognitive resources for the task we're trying to do. But the question remains, so is it taking away my resources just being here? Perhaps, just me waiting, is it going to buzz? Is it going to ring? Am I expecting a call? Or, it's the phone, just seeing the phone is a reminder, hey, maybe I should just quickly check Instagram or whatever it is. Maybe those sorts of things are enough to take away resources from the task at hand. And in fact, there's been research done on that here at the University of Texas, and to kind of preview the results that they called the survey the brain drain survey. And so this is what they did in the survey. People were separated into 3 different conditions. In all conditions, the phone was, the notifications were turned off so it couldn't buzz or ring. So in one condition, students went and had they didn't know, by the way, they didn't know the study was about the phone at all. They thought it was about something else. But they had their phone on the table in front of them, the idea being they were going to need that for a later study. Or they had their phone in their pocket or in their bag, or they left their phone in their bag in a different room. And then they took 2 tests. They took a working memory test, like how many things can you hold in your memory, and then they also took a fluid intelligence test. And what they found here was that in those first 2 conditions, when the phone is on the table or it's in your pocket or your bag, but within reach of you, essentially, in both of those conditions, people actually scored lower in the working memory tests and in the intelligence test. So it's literally true to say having your phone around you, in a way, makes you dumber. Because your resources are taken away from what you're trying to do.
I mean, Sam, of all the reports that you've given us this semester, this might be the most alarming one. I have my phone right here in front of me on my desk. I almost usually have it on my person, and you're saying that even though I don't necessarily believe or I'm consciously aware that I'm attending to it, it is sucking away some of my attention from what's going on around me. That's really, really disturbing.
Yeah, even when we're not using it, it can suck away some of your attention. That's right. All right, so that's Sam Gosling reporting for UT Smock News from inside a library. It's back to the studio.